Welcome, Protege. In the previous tutorial we showed you how to perform a circular pattern within your sketch, and in this tutorial we're going to show you how to perform the mirror operation within your sketch. And to showcase that, we're going to use the I-beam example that we did in one of the past tutorials. I'm going to open that up. I'm sure you see some symmetry within this part. For example, there's some symmetry about the YZ plane, and you also have symmetry about the XZ plane. So I'm going to open up a new sketch and show you how you can create this I-beam with the mirror function. So first I'm going to create a sketch. I'll do this on, let's go with the front plane this time. And I'm going to use the line tool, and then we can draw out one of the sides of the I-beam. And now we have to dimension it. Okay, we have this sketch fully defined now. So now we want to go to the mirror function under the sketch tab. And this menu pops up and it's looking for objects, so we just click on the lines that make up this I-beam. And now it's asking for a mirror line. Well, I don't see a mirror line here. I can't click on anything on the origin. But maybe it's under this origin tab in the top left. I'm going to turn that on. And we would like to use the y-axis line, but it doesn't allow you to click on that. So what do you have to do to fix that? Well, you have to use something called a construction line. And the construction line is over here in the sketch palette on the right side. And to use that, you click on the line tool and then you click on the construction button. So now the construction line is enabled. I'm going to make a construction line on the y-axis. And now we can use this line as our mirror line. So let's go back to our mirror function. Click the lines again. You don't have to click this edge. Now select mirror line and choose the construction line that you just drew from the origin. And it just mirrored this side of the I-beam. You can get rid of this construction line if you want, but actually when you do get rid of it, this becomes undefined. So I'll just Control Z that and keep the construction line there. It doesn't really hurt anything. So now we can stop sketch and click on the two profiles to extrude it. And now we just created an I-beam using the mirror function. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe below or leave a question or comment.